I haven't done many updates in the car recently. We've still been working on it a lot, just haven't really been doing jobs that were worth filming. As you can see, the roll cage is now yellow. Might look a bit much right now, but hopefully by the time the car's painted, it comes up the way I'm thinking it might. Some other things I've been doing, like just swap down the tyre size in the front to a 280 from a 300, just so get a little bit more clearance to the strut and can actually turn. I needed to chop a little bit out of the back of the guards and the wheel tub, but still pretty tight, but yeah, we'll make it fit. Another job that doesn't look like anything major, but was many, many weeks of work is working doors. In my head, I thought it would be very simple going fiberglass doors. I cannot even begin to express how wrong I was. We've got handles in there now. Once we get the door cards back from powder coating, that'll just basically go to a ribbon or a little strap that'll poke through the door card, and then we've got the latch mechanisms all in there and working now, and the outside handles as well. The door frames are on, and they actually work. Today's job's got to get started on the firebomb lines. So they're all hard lines, so we need to start plumbing that. The two cabin jets, which are mounted up here in the roll cage, hard lines started for that. And then have to put the ones in the engine bay on the strut tops or so that'll have to go along the center console and through the firewall. Also, in today's agenda is finally put the pedal box in properly for the last time. Just got some lines back from crimping. Didn't want to bother getting the crimp tools ourselves, so luckily the boys at Speed Pro can do that for you. But that's Dash 3 200 series with stainless steel crimp-on fittings. So now that we've got all the lines back from them, they can get bolted to this, and that can go in the car. So, we've just got all the brakes fitted in, the pedals. So we've got the pedals mounted in now, and started the brake lines done and the reservoir lines done. And Michael is finishing off some brackets for mounting our firebomb nozzles. So just come off the firewall there and point down.